Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Trend TV. This is Swiprajesh from SGA Skoda showroom in Coimbatore. I am here with the brand new Skoda Rapid Matte Edition, which is essentially a limited edition model. We have already seen the Matte Edition variant of the Volkswagen Polo Top Spec GT TSI variant. That said, the Volkswagen Polo and the Vento Matte Editions do not have any interior changes, while this Skoda Rapid Matte Edition also has some specific changes on the inside. First, let's talk about the exterior changes. This matte edition, as you can clearly see, does not have any chrome detailing on the outside, and being based on the top spec variant, this car also gets projector headlamps, LED DRLs along with front fog lamps. Even the signature butterfly grille gets a matte grey finish with a piano black surround. Now let's talk in detail about this matte paint job. This essentially is the very same carbon steel grey based matte paint job, which is exactly the same we have seen on the Volkswagen Polo and will also be available on the Volkswagen Vento Matte Edition as well. Other matte edition specific changes on the outside include these new 16-inch glossy black alloy wheels, which we have already seen on the Onyx variant of the Skoda Rapid. This matte edition is available only as a singular variant with the option of a 6-speed manual gearbox or a 6-speed automatic transmission. And for both transmission options, the exterior looks does not change at all. Coming towards the back, here also all the chrome details have been blacked out, including the rear bumper garnish. This being a fresh new car just arrived at the dealership, it does not have the glossy black finished spoiler lip or the trunk garnish. Those features will be supplied to the dealership as a kit and then will be fitted to the car at the time of delivery by the dealer. Other matte edition specific changes on the outside include glossy black door handles, which replace the chrome ones, and the glossy black finished ORVMs. While this matte paint job will be more difficult to maintain than the glossy paint, it definitely looks cool and will grab eyes all over. So let's get inside the cabin.
Yes folks, I'm right now inside the brand new Skoda Rapid Matte Edition variant, and this is how the dashboard looks like. While the dashboard design, overall plastics and materials, everything remains exactly the same as every other variant of the Skoda Rapid, this Matte Edition specifically gets slightly different color themes. For example, you get the same black on top of the dashboard, however the lower part is now in sort of a greyish, light grey color to be precise, and well, the steering wheel is also brand new in terms of design. This is a flat bottom, more perforated kind of design, which actually feels and looks way more premium. This is actually the steering wheel we have seen on the Monte Carlo versions of the Skoda Rapid, which means that this looks and feels sporty and more premium, and that is exactly how it feels on this matte edition as well. Other materials and features remain exactly the same. You get the flat bottom steering wheel with steering mounted audio controls. This car does not get cruise control though. However, you get projector headlamps. You can see the stock on the left side of the steering wheel for the high beam. And coming to the center console, you get the same touchscreen infotainment system with SD card reader and the USB port, aux port, along with mirror link connectivity as well. Lower down, you get the automatic climate control as standard from the base level rider variant itself. This being the 6-speed torque converter automatic equipped variant, you can also see the all black leather boot along with the white contrast stitching for the transmission lever as well. Coming to the seats, there is also a significant difference in terms of looks and the material as well. You can see that these are all black seats with sort of a grey insert in the center. This is a hexagon pattern.
Just like the rear spoiler, the Alcantara finished leather seats are a part of the dealer level fitment, which will be supplied to the dealer as a separate kit.
The seats design remains exactly the same, and even the center armrest for the front passengers remain exactly the same as before, with the same adjustment as well. This being the mid-level variant of the Skoda Rapid, this car also has driver seat height adjustment, for which the lever is over here on the side, and this car also gets reverse parking camera, which I'll have to turn on the power. So this here is the audio system, and let me just try slotting it into reverse. So this is the reverse parking camera display. While the display may not be so crisp, it is completely fine because it covers the whole display itself. So that is pretty handy. Coming to the instrument cluster, no change over here. Everything remains exactly the same as before, as the Ambition variant of the Skoda Rapid as well, so no difference over here. Coming towards the right side of the steering wheel, this is where you get all the controls for the headlamps for turning on, and you also get front and rear fog lamps as well. So that is pretty nice. Again, coming to the driver door, all 4 power windows with one touch down and up function are standard because this is one variant lower to the top spec variant, and you can also see one touch folding function for the ORVMs as well, along with electronic adjustment. So basically that's it about the features at the front. Standard safety features include dual airbags from the base level variant itself, along with ABS and EBD, while the automatic variants alone get ESP traction control with hill hold assist as well. Coming towards the roof, there is day-night switch for the IRVM. Only the top spec style variant gets electrochromic auto-dimming IRVM. This being a mid-level variant, you don't get that. And well, that's all about the changes and features at the front. Let's now take a look at the rear seats. Yes folks, this is how the dashboard of the Škoda Rapid Matte Edition looks like from the back seat. To be honest, there is not a lot of difference when you compare with the standard mid-level variant of the Škoda Rapid. That's because the steering wheel is the only change. This is the flat bottom steering wheel we have already seen on the Monte Carlo edition of the Škoda Rapid. Apart from that, all the other features are exactly the same, including the touchscreen system, the automatic climate control, the 6-speed torque converter automatic gear lever, and the one-touch up and down functions for all windows. Well, coming to the rear seats, the space, comfort, the overall design, everything remains exactly the same, no difference whatsoever, and the exact same fabric finish with the diamond-like pattern in grey color at the center remain exactly the same. That said, all variants of the Škoda Rapid gets 2 adjustable headrests for 2 rear passengers, along with a center armrest for the rear seat passengers, and the rear AC vents, which are also available from the base level variant itself. This AC vent console also houses a flexible bottle holder. That's because the rear door pockets don't have the space to accommodate a large 1-liter bottle. However, the highlight feature of the rear seats of the Škoda Rapid is the availability of one touch down and one touch up function for the rear windows. So this is a feature we have not yet seen on any other mid-size sedan apart from the Volkswagen Vento or the Škoda Rapid from the mid-level variant itself. So now let's take a look at the boot space.
The Škoda Rapid, despite sharing a lot of mechanicals and even the body with the Volkswagen Vento, still manages to offer slightly less boot space compared to the Volkswagen Vento. This here is the 460-litre boot capacity of the Škoda Rapid, which is slightly lesser than the Volkswagen Vento's 494-litre luggage capacity. That said, there is no change in the boot, and this boot area still remains very spacious and usable. However, while this car offers 16-inch alloy wheels as standard, the spare wheel is actually a 14-inch steel wheel, which is standard across all variants and can be used only for temporary purpose. All variants of the Volkswagen Vento and the Škoda Rapid also get the luggage intrusion beam behind the rear seats, and this matte edition also gets a reverse parking camera integrated into the number plate housing. So that was the boot space. Let's now talk about the pricing and value. The Škoda Rapid is already an enthusiast-friendly turbocharged mid-size sedan. While it may sound like only 110 horsepower from a 1-liter TSI 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine, it is still fantastic to drive, which is why it is the preferred fun-to-drive sedan by most enthusiasts. Enthusiasts will also love a matte paint job, along with the more sporty Alcantara leather seats. That said, it also has to be kept in mind that this matte finish paint job is not going to be easy to maintain and definitely needs more care than the standard glossy paint job. This slight premium for the matte paint job and the Alcantara seats definitely seems like good value for money for enthusiasts preferring to be unique. So, meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.